We are from God's Grace International School. We've just received the award for Best Private Basic School. We are grateful to the MP for the OkaiKwei Central Constituency and to our Director of Education and the whole Education Directorate. We're also grateful to the God's Grace International School community, um, from the teachers to management to parents and to students. At God's Grace International School, we believe that the child is our primary focus. So everything we do at God's Grace International School, we do it with the child in mind. And I believe that that is what has gotten us to here. What is the message to other private schools for them to also be like this? To focus on the children, on developing the children. Do your best. Do it like everybody's watching you at all times because you are being watched at all times. Give your best to the children, and I believe that you will win this award someday. My name is Dr. Matthew Keto Addison, and I'm the Director of Academics at God's Grace International School.